As you create and edit your knowledge base, there may be times when you need to restore articles or categories that were previously deleted or removed. This can happen deliberately or accidentally due to human error. Document 360 is aware of this fact and includes a recycle bin feature that lets you restore lost data within a period of 30 days. The items that show up in the recycle bin provide information on such things as the category path, who performed the deletion, and the date the item was modified and deleted. One convenient aspect is a view button, which lets you get a glimpse into the content of the file before you decide whether to restore it. This can be done on both an article level as well as a category level with a tree view displaying the articles that are present within the category. You can further view each of these articles within the category to target those that you want to restore. The restore option will place the items back into the project. If you are certain that an article or category is no longer needed, choose delete and it'll be gone for good. As the volume of items within the recycle bin grows, the search function can quickly help you find what you're looking for. The filtering options lets you narrow down the search to a particular author or multiple authors, and whether to look for only articles or categories. The empty recycle bin button will purge all categories and articles currently in the recycle bin forever. To demonstrate this feature, let's say we're performing a routine check on our knowledge base to make sure it's up to date and run into this category of published articles that appears to be obsolete, so we proceed to delete it. We later realize that we need the category back, along with some articles that are still relevant to our product. Well, we can rest assured that the recycle bin will still have all this data. We can search for the category and view the contents, select the articles we need, and click Restore. As simple as that. In conclusion, knowing that you have the recycle bin working in the background to ensure that any deleted articles or categories can be restored within 30 days can keep you at ease as your knowledge base grows.